Okay, this is the junction box that had the light fixture above the dinette on the curbside, the first light that I'm working on. As you can see, the wires go up and over. They go over the top of the window on the curbside, over the top of the door, and then they come down and down, down, down. And then they go into this box right here, which is underneath my refrigerator. Then it comes out and it continues up and then across here and goes over, and then it looks like it ended here. And this was a light or a plug-in that was on the outside of the trailer down low, which was really nice, and it was above the wheel well. I think I got some pictures of that from before, and it was really nice because we set our coffee table here with the coffee pot and everything, so that was a nice fixture to have. I'm going to try to keep an outlet for the coffee pot. But the wires end right here. So I'm going to go back over here. And then there's that junction box again, and let's follow the wire down here. So now it comes down, and then it goes around the front of the trailer, and it's continuing on, and then it goes to this outlet right here, which was in front of the dinette. The wires continue. And they continue on, and now they're going up, and they go up to the junction box up here, which is the other light fixture on the opposite side of the dinette, which is right there. So we'll deal with her a little later. Then the wire keeps going down, and it goes across, and it keeps going, and it keeps on going. I know you see another wire here, but let's see where it goes to. This one, because it's this wire right here that we're following, goes through the hole, the opening, comes through here, up, 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 and then it goes into there, which, oh gosh, I think that is in the back. Actually, I'll have to look and see what that one is. It might be a plug-in. But then it goes into those wires where everything else is basically junctioning off into, and I think, I don't know where that goes to. I'll have to figure that out. But everything is all going up there as well. So I got wires going everywhere. But that wire, this wire here, which is the one that I'm taking apart and following around. I'm going to have to maybe record these and see what this goes into, whether it goes into the junction box or whether this goes into the back side of the breaker box. It might be part of the breaker box. I'll have to double check all of that and see. But right now, these were running the 2 lights and that electrical outlet in the front by the dinette, and the electrical outlet above the wheel well. So I'll have to see if this is actually where that wire is going to. Thank goodness I'm not connected up to any electricity or anything, or else I'd be probably shocked. My hair would be standing on end. I'd look like Einstein. I don't want to be an Einstein.